Good morning, YouTube. Miles here with Advanced Cleaning Systems. You gotta get us a SD card this morning. They probably won't even have it. I usually have to order it, but I've been through like 10 of them already. Could just delete the footage off of all of them and just keep using it, but I mean, I like to look back at all that stuff, even though I got all these videos to look at. Let's see here. I don't like this brand, but it'll work. I gotta order one. We got 3 jobs on the schedule today. Gonna be a little bit everywhere, kind of, sort of, but it's nasty outside. It's raining right now. T-Bone, can you unlock this for me, please?
Okay. Down.
All right. How are you doing this morning?
I am blessed by this, so are you.
I got a couple of rain jackets, but they're kind of old, so I'm gonna get me another one. I'm gonna get me and Brickman one. Hope they have some orange ones. Probably won't. They never had my orange. It says sporting goods. I am here, and I don't see it. Let's see. Fishing, guns. Okay, you got tarps and rain jackets. Do they have orange? Oh, they got orange, but it's in kids. Are you serious? Might have to rock the kids one. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. It's gonna be too small. Get me a medium, get Brickman an extra large. Come with a nice little baggie too. Nice.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You have a good one too. Alright, we got that taken care of. Now we're headed to pick up Brickman and get today started. And I should have got some waters, but I guess I'll just get that sometime during the day. Probably when we stop and get gas somewhere. But I think I already told you all, like I said, we got 3 on the schedule. Make those pop up right there. And probably see when we get to the first job. Alright, so we have made it to our first job of the day. Let's go ahead and open it up. See if we can turn on my baby. First try, let's see. Oh, so close. There she is. And we have a surprise guest. We got my original baby right here. The wand is fixed, everybody. The wand is fixed. Can't wait to use it. Let's go in here and have a look at the carpets that we're going to be cleaning on our first job of the day. You see I have the seal door up already. Got some rain on my lens. Let me clean that off for you. Alright. Got the seal door up. Got some vacuum lines going by Brickman. Let's get some vacuum action. These, I was about to say these lines, but these carpets are not too soiled. We're going to be cleaning this bedroom right here. This hallway, the living room, a set of stairs, and then this bedroom right here. And really right here is the only dirty place in this whole cleaning. We're not going to be using the CRB. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with pulling in some hoses. Get these carpets pre-treated. And then we'll get started with the cleaning. Before I do go any farther with this video, I want to say thank you to everyone that is subscribed to the channel. I woke up to 25,000 subscribers. Man, it feels really good. So thank you to everybody that subscribed. Even if you're not, thank you for watching these videos. Take your time out the day to watch my videos. I do put a lot of effort into them. And I want to come up with a name to call my viewers. I don't want to just keep saying hello YouTube, you know, I want to be more direct with you. So in the comment section down below, hashtag a name that you would like to be called. And I don't know, I'll just be choosing. I was thinking clean team, but I don't know if that's too corny or not. Make sure you hashtag it so I can separate the comments. It'd be easy for me to do it that way because I get a lot of comments. And I should start answering the comments through these videos because I just get way too many to answer one by one. So you're probably just gonna be seeing your answers in these videos, but thank you to everybody. We're gonna go ahead and get today started. I'll turn the camera back on once we get started with the cleaning. We're looking good, we're looking good. You can see we're moving right along and rotating the fan around as we're cleaning. Let's give you an up close view. Alright, so now that we're done, we're going to wipe up the water that we got right here. Same thing if you get any overspray on anything, just make sure you wipe it up. You don't want to have your customers clean up after you. You're going to see how everything turned out. Let's go look in here. This area right here was a little bit darker. Looks pretty good. Good, looks good. This cleaning, it wasn't too soiled, but we are still going to make sure our customer is happy. Make sure everything looks good for her before we pack up all of our stuff into the van. Alright YouTube, so we are done with the cleaning. Customer is happy, so that means I'm happy too. That's the only thing that matters. Carpets weren't too soiled. She's not going to be applying any Maxim. She did say it's been 2 years since the carpet has been placed and she just wanted to get them clean. So she called the right people. We're headed to our second job of the day. It's going to be in Cartersville, Georgia, and I'll see you there. Sealador is up. We are here at our second job of the day, and it's still raining. It's actually gotten a lot harder here in Cartersville, Georgia. We're going to be cleaning 2 area rugs that are receiving the pet treatments. Let's go inside and have a look. We got the Sealador up. Someone in the comment section asked what the Sealador is for. Let me give you a good example. If this door was up here and didn't have a porch over it, the rain would be getting inside when we have our hoses pulled inside. So what this door is going to do is block things that are outside and keep it from going in and keep your air in. And it also looks pretty cool. The customers love it. So it's a great addition to your company. But let's go ahead and go inside and look at these area rugs. Brickman is pre-treating right now. They're both synthetic 8x10s. Cleaning these for a total of $320 even. The way we got that price is $1.50 per square foot. And then they're applying the pet treatment, which is an additional $40. Let's have a look at this one. Same thing, 8x10 synthetic rug. So this one has been pre-treated already. So we're gonna go and get our CRB and start with the agitation. Alright, we have started the cleaning. You can see we switched our one to our titanium 6 jet. I like to use this one right here in open areas. Got some nice steam going. Nice slow strokes. If these two area rugs were wool, we wouldn't be able to use the pet treatment that we chose on this one because of the high peroxide. And also we wouldn't have our steam as high as we do. We have the heat a lot lower. As you can see, the clean is going pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and get finished up with this one right here, and then I'll turn the camera back on when we get to the other one. Go out here and see what kind of water we're getting out. Not really much to see. Oh man. Wow. That's definitely nasty. But now we're just gonna see what our customer thinks about the cleaning, because I can think it looks good all day, but at the end of the day, it's not my house, it's the customer's house. And without the customer, there will be no advanced cleaning system, so let's go inside and see what she thinks. All right, we are all done. What do you think of it? You want to have a look at the one we just got done with? We're going to be putting a fan on that one also. I always like to check with my customers to make sure they're okay with the cleaning, because to me it can look good all day, but at the end of the day it's not my home. We want to make sure our customers are satisfied.
That was awesome over there, and that was the worst one I thought.
How does it smell any better?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Yes, that one looks great.
All right, good to go. I'm gonna put the fan on this one also.
Okay.
Let it dry
I'll go
up.
back and get my checkbook.
All right. All right, everybody, so we are done here. We're gonna be put the fan on this one. That way it can dry up also. They have the house baby proof because their granddaughter is here. Let's turn it on like so. Point at an angle. Alright, let the fan do its thing. We're gonna go out here, get wet a little bit more, and pull in our hoses. Oh man. What you think about that cleaning?
Pretty boring.
Yeah, it's pretty boring. One day I told some people that, you know, this cleaner was gonna be boring. But when I say that, you guys, I mean boring as in terms of lines and just being satisfying. I love cleaning carpet, but like a job like this, it was kind of boring. I mean, it was just a cleaning. But the water was pretty dirty coming out, so it was dirty. But we're headed to our third and last job of the day. We're gonna be back in Rome, Georgia, our hometown. We're going to be doing a large living room and applying our maximum protection for a repeat customer. So we'll see you there. We made it to our third and last job of the day, and the rain has actually gotten harder in Rome, Georgia. But let's go inside and have a look at the carpet that we're going to be cleaning and protecting today. This is it. It's not too soiled, but you can see right here, his chair was here, and around it looks like I don't know, you think there's metal up under there? Just the color is rubbing off onto the carpet, so we're gonna see if we can get that up today. But unfortunately, these carpets are not super soiled like I wanted them to be. No really soiled, dirty carpets today, so kind of depressing. This right here is pretty dirty, so I'll probably run over this also. But this is our last job of the day, and hopefully these carpets, you know, sometimes carpets like that don't look too dirty until you start cleaning it, and you can see a big difference. So hopefully that's the case, but if not, it'll be all right. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Brickman is already pre-vacuuming. What I'm gonna do is set up my cellar door, pull in some hoses, pre-treat, no CRB agitation, and get started with the cleaning.
I figured you would. You've been very reliable.
Oh, yes, sir. We always come to our appointments, and even if we're running a little bit behind, we like to let our customers know ahead of time, just so you're not waiting on us. But, yep.
All right.
Thank you for calling us. All right, everyone, we are done with the cleaning. You can see how good it looks. And right here, we had a little bit of pink that we couldn't get out. We used a couple different solvents, and it didn't move at all. So when I say move, and when we tried to scrape it with our tool, that means the color would transfer into the tool, and that didn't happen. But you can see the black came up with no problem, and the cleaning went well. So that's going to end our day. All right, we'll see you next time. That's going to end our day. Went by fairly fast actually, but I'm gonna head to the shop. I gotta take these booties off my feet. We're gonna head to the shop, dump this water, and that'll be it. So hopefully the footage on this job looks all right. That means I didn't record it. Brickman recorded it. If it does look good, that means he's learned well from me. But if not, he still has some learning to do. I'll teach him. No, I'm just kidding. But thanks for watching, everybody. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And if you like any of the services that we provided today and want to know if we service an area near you, give us a call at 706-290-9989. And we'll see you in the next one.